how to download and install the Phantom Wallet app on your Android. So if you want to download and install the Phantom Wallet app on your Android, first of all, just make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. And once you make sure that you're connected to an internet connection, make sure that it's stable, right? Then open up your Play Store, which is your Google Play Store, and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Then from here, all you have to do is to simply search for the Phantom Wallet app over here. Once you search for the Phantom Wallet app, here you will see the Phantom application at the top, which is the official app. So you just have to click on the install button here. It will begin installing depending upon the speed and the strength of your internet connection and your phone as well. And once done, your Phantom account or the app will get ready for use. And this way you'll be able to download and install the Phantom Wallet app on your Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.